Welcome, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that's shaping our world, the intersection of AI and human creativity. As we stand on the brink of a technological revolution, it's essential to explore how artificial intelligence is not just a tool, but a partner in our creative journeys. Imagine a world where AI helps us brainstorm ideas, refine our art, and even compose music. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. AI can analyze vast amounts of data, identify patterns, and suggest innovative concepts that might never have crossed our minds. It's like having a creative collaborator who never runs out of inspiration. But let's be clear, AI is here to enhance our creativity, not replace it. The magic happens when we combine our unique human experiences, emotions, and insights with the analytical power of AI. Think about it, our creativity is deeply rooted in our personal stories, our struggles, and our triumphs. AI can help us express these narratives in new and exciting ways, pushing the boundaries of what we thought was possible. As we embrace this partnership, it's crucial to maintain our authenticity. The heart of creativity lies in our individuality. AI can provide suggestions and generate ideas, but the final touch, the soul of the creation, comes from us. It's our passion, our voice, and our vision that will always resonate with others. So, how can we harness this incredible potential? Start by experimenting with AI tools in your creative process. Whether you're a writer, artist, musician, or entrepreneur, there are countless resources available to help you explore new avenues. Don't be afraid to play, to make mistakes, and to learn. This journey is about growth and discovery. As we look to the future, let's embrace the possibilities that our AI brings while staying true to our creative essence. Together, we can create a world where technology and human ingenuity coexist harmoniously, leading to extraordinary innovations. Thank you for joining me on this exploration of AI and creativity. If you found this discussion inspiring, please consider following or subscribing for more insights. Let's continue this journey together.